Hello, Platers. Is it true that female drivers often get unfairly judged for their skills behind the wheel or mostly quoted as reckless? If you are a woman who drives a car like me, you're probably tired of hearing stereotypical comments about lady drivers being slow, reckless, and accident-prone. Welcome to our Daily Drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. But studies prove otherwise. Women are actually better drivers than men. They're less reckless and less likely to figure in an accident. So the next time you're on the receiving end of another sexist remark, show who the girl boss is. Be a Girl Scout. Before taking your car out for a drive, ensure you carry all car essentials to help you stay safe, comfortable, and prepared for any emergency on the road. Here's a list of must-have items in every woman's car. If you're a guy who's looking for a thoughtful gift idea for the most important woman in your life, like your mom, wife, girlfriend, or sister, this list is also for you. Car essentials for road safety and survival, exclusive for ladies. Number 1, phone charger. Forgot to power up your mobile phone last night? No problem, as long as you have a charger in your car. Even if your smartphone has a long-lasting battery, you'll never know when it'll run out of juice. Check out Blade's wide selection mobile phone chargers. Number 2, car phone holder. Ladies, safe driving entails having your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road. Mount your phone on a steady holder, so you can navigate more easily when using driving applications like Waze or Google Maps. Number 3, spare tire. Being a woman doesn't mean you can't change a flat tire by yourself. Find the right spare tire for your particular car model. Consult your owner's manual or ask the nearest automotive service center. Number 4, car jack and cross wrench. A spare tire isn't the only car essential for changing flats. You also need the right tools for jacking your car up and removing the lug nuts that secure the wheels. To do the job right, get the correct jack for your car and an X-shaped wrench for budging firmly installed lug nuts. Number 5, jumper cables. Having your car battery die on you when you're rushing to an important meeting or to the gym can be very stressful. Among the car essentials that can save the day are jumper cables to get your battery going again. Number 6, duct tape. For any issue in your car that needs a temporary fix, you can count on duct tape to do the job. Use it for a leaking hose, broken mirror, or any damaged car part. It can last until you have the problematic part replaced. Number 7, flashlight. A small flashlight and extra batteries are heaven-sent car essentials for when you need to change a flat tire in the dark. While your cell phone's built-in flashlight can also do the job, it's great to have a backup when your phone's battery has died. Number 8, early warning device. When you pull over to the side of the road due to a car breakdown, you must use a reflective triangle or warning triangle. This will make your car visible to oncoming vehicles and prevent you from getting hit at the roadside. The Land Transportation Office also requires motorists to have this inside their vehicles all the time. Number 9, vehicle documents. When driving, always bring the following important documents with you: driver's license, certificate of registration, and official receipt and car insurance policy. Driving without a driver's license, certificate of registration, and official receipt will cost you a fine of 1,000 pesos. Don't forget to carry your car insurance policy, too. It will come in handy for when you need to file a claim. Number 10, bottled water. You need to hydrate wherever you are, even when you're on the road. If your car stalls and you're stuck somewhere with no convenience store nearby, having bottled water in your car will come in handy. It's also useful as a temporary fix for an overheating engine. Make sure to check on everything before hitting up the road. For more car emergency tools, drop by your nearest Blade Auto Center today and check out their great deals. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the items you had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.